Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change email ID in UAE Pass. For that, you will have to just follow these steps in which you will have to launch your UAE Pass mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. On the home page, you will have to tap on the account tab in the bottom, and then you need to go to personal details. In your personal details, you will be able to see the email address that is registered with your UAE Pass app. Now, in order to edit it, you will have to tap on the pencil icon or the edit section right next to your current email, and then you can start writing your new email address that you want to connect with your UAE Pass mobile app. After that, you need to validate it with the help of OTP. So a 6-digit OTP will be sent on your new email address that you want to verify. After that, you just have to simply paste the OTP and verify your new email address. Now your new email address will be in this email section, and this way you will be able to change your email ID in UAE Pass. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.